Hi, I'm Paul Haydocy from Road Adventures, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize your refrigerator in your Winnebago Class C. To utilize the refrigerator in your Winnebago Class C, your first step is to turn the coach battery on. Once that's on, you now can turn the refrigerator on. To do that, simply hit the power button on the control panel. Now that your fridge is on, your next step is to choose how to cool your refrigerator. You have 3 mode options. You have auto, you have electric, and propane. While on auto, your RV will always try to pull from your 30 amp power source. If that is not available, it will then switch over to your propane. Your final step is selecting your temperature. To do that, hit the final button with the thermostat. 1 snowflake is the warmest, followed by 5 being the coldest. Thanks for watching. To check out more how-to videos, visit our YouTube page or go to roadadventures.com and start planning your next Great American Getaway.